Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Instagram profile. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Instagram. So search for that and update your Instagram application. Once you complete that step you need to go back and you need to open Facebook Instagram. So once you open Instagram, click on your profile picture in the right bottom, click on edit profile. So once you are here, in here you can find an option of music, but as you can see there is no option for music for my this profile because that option is not roll out in my region. So let me show you in another profile. Maybe I have that option in that profile. So click on edit profile option here, and no, it is not there as well. So hopefully it will be roll out soon. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.